Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to customize the color of your folder to the way you want it to be. This method makes use of an app called Image to Icon. Here, this is the look of the app. What this app does is that it allows you to customize the color of your folder on your Mac to the way you want. Not only can you able to customize the color of your folders, but you can also put an image on your folder as well. Let me show you how to do that. What you need to do is find an image. Let's say I have this image here. I drag and drop onto it and it shows me this. If you scroll down, you will see different ways that you can customize your folder. You can have it in full mode like this or this. You can also do it to the drive as well, to the app or the drive. You can do that as well. So you can see this is for the app, for the drive. But let me show you only with the folder here. So let's say I want one folder to look like this. Let's say this folder here, I want it to look like this. So I drag and drop onto it. And you can see it changed. And if I want this one, drag and drop. So any folder you want to customize into that, just drag and drop onto this, it will change. And again, it does not just allow you to customize by putting images on your folder like this. You can even choose the color. So in order to choose the color, let's say I want my folder to be in this color here. So I just take a screenshot. I drag and drop it. See here, so now it has this color that I want. So I just drag and drop the folder that I want to look like that. It will change the color. Drag and drop like so. So now my folder changed from the default light blue color to pink color here. Again, any color you like, just find that color and you can change it to that color. Like, let's just put another one here. Let's say I want it to look like this one. I just drag and drop it. And you can see now it's green. Any folder I want it to be green, I just drag and drop. And now my folder is green. You're not only able to change the color of your folder to the way you want it to be, you can also put images on your folder so that it's easier to recognize. With just a glimpse, you can see what folder it is without having to read the title of the folder. And you can even export this. You can export it to folder, save. So when you export it like this, when you want to reuse it, you just drag and drop onto this. It will allow you to use it again. You can also export it to ICNS, which means icons, iOS, Android, favicon, IconSet, or ICO, PNG, JPG. So these are the formats that you can convert it to. You can also send this with AirDrop or send through messages to your friend or family to use it as well. So again, this app is a small size app, but it's very effective in changing the color of your folders on your Mac or put any image on your folder very effectively. Again, in order to get this app, usually you can go to its website, this one here. And it says it's free on Mac App Store, but it's not fully free. It's kind of a free trial. Here, we click on it. The app here, you can see the in-app purchases. So if you go to that, you will see that if you want to unlock everything, you have to pay $9.99. So that's if you want to purchase the app. I mean, it costs you $10. That's one way to get it. And another way you can get this app through this app called Setapp. It's just like an app store, but just like an app subscription. You subscribe to the app and you can make use of all available apps on this app. They have hundreds of different apps that you can use here. Once you subscribe to this Setapp, they allow you to use hundreds of apps that are very useful for your Mac. For example, like one of them is Clean My Mac Apps. If you subscribe to this Setapp here, you can actually download all of these apps and use it all just under this app subscription. So any of these apps will be available for you to download as long as your subscription is still active. And again, I would recommend you to use this service instead of just download it directly from App Store and pay $10, because if you do that, you only can get one app, this app, Image to Icon. But if you make use of this Setapp service, there are hundreds of useful apps that you can use, that you can download on your Mac and use them. So if you're interested in this app, the link is in the description. Again, I will include two links. One is to download it directly from the App Store. The other link is it will lead you to Setapp service, and you can subscribe from there and make use of hundreds of apps over there that could be useful for you to optimize the performance of your Mac effectively. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you can customize the look and the color of your folders to the way you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.